Hello friends, today I will draw Bluey wearing a swimsuit. While the picture slowly appears, I'll tell you a story that sparkles like sunlight on water. Do you think a simple swimsuit can turn an ordinary day into a splashy adventure? The morning was bright, the sky wide and blue. Bluey wriggled into her new swimsuit, stripes shining like candy colors. She tugged at the straps, grinning proudly. "I'm ready for swimming," she cheered. "Can you stretch your arms up high like you're ready to dive?" Mom smiled, handing her a towel. Dad held a big float shaped like a duck. Bingo hopped beside them, clapping with excitement. Together they marched to the backyard pool, the water glittering like 1,000 gems. And while Bluey adjusted her swimsuit with joy, let me remind you, please like this video and subscribe my channel so more sunny stories can splash into your day. Each click is like another drop of water sparkling bright. Bluey stepped to the edge, her tail wagging fast. "Watch this," she cried, jumping in with a big splash. The cool water hugged her fur, bubbles rising around her. Bingo followed, laughing as she splashed beside her sister. Dad floated nearby, pretending to be a giant sea monster, while Mom clapped from the side. "Swim, Bluey, swim!" Bingo shouted. "Race me!" Bluey answered. They paddled quickly, paws kicking, waves dancing in the sun. Bluey felt her swimsuit hugging tight, making her move smooth and fast. The pool turned into an ocean in her imagination, dolphins leaping, shells shining beneath. Can you paddle your arms like you're swimming too? After the race, Bluey floated on her back, the sun warming her face. Bingo rested beside her, both giggling softly. The day slowed, the water rocking them gently like a lullaby. Mom whispered, "You two are my shining swimmers." Bluey smiled, closing her eyes, her swimsuit still glittering in the golden light. She felt calm, safe, happy. And so, friends, the water play drifts to an end. Tomorrow another splashy tale will begin again. Float and glide, soft and free, Bluey rests beside the sea. Dreams will shine, as bright can be, another story waits for thee.